Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, for those who are new in my channel, yes, as I've told you, my name is Otiso, the real village boy. You can see the nature. I am carrying my gunia. Can you guess what I'm going to take? Today I'm not going to find a food for animal, for our cow. I'm going to find a food which I will use and my family. So guys, today I'm not work alone. I am with my boys will help me.
Hello guys. Hi guys.
These are boys who will help me today. So by the way, we are going to the shamba. We are going to harvest beans. We'll eat some lunch and then we'll keep it for next time. For emergency, if guests will come, we will cook for them. So guys, stay with me as I'm going to the shamba. Yes, I'm going to show you on where we used to harvest. Also there we have planted some maize and then beans. Beans are in between maize. So I'm going to show you. So guys, oh yeah, tuendeni haraka time. So guys, you know it is getting lunch. So I have to tell them to be high. So guys, here we go. By the way guys, you know beans are very sweet. You can eat with ugali. Yeah? Yeah? Tupite njia gani? They are saying you have to take a shortcut. Let us take a shortcut. This way is long. So guys, stay with me as I'm showing you this video, but consider subscribing as I'm showing you this video. So hii ndio njia? Sasa ni the same tuna ile. Sawa. By the these narrow ways are the same, but they say it is a shortcut. I don't mind. So guys, have you had eaten beans? As I've told you, beans are very sweet. You like it. You can eat with rice if rice it can be there. Anything you want. You like it. You can see the boys here. Wamechangamuka. They want to go and they take some beans. Bana, simwambie watu mtakula ni maragwe leo. Ambieni watu mtakula ni maragwe leo. You can see our way here is not good. But although it is not good, we must take beans. There is nothing can stop us from eating beans. So guys, as you can see, I am carrying my gunia. This one we call it a gunia. I'm expecting to get a full of this beans. But so guys, by the way, my friend is onyesha orokie gunia yao. Also he has a sack to take a maize. So you beans. Sorry, beans. So you can imagine how they are made. I'm happy today, guys, because I like beans, especially with ugali. You eat. So guys, boy, this way is not good. It was raining, so the rain has. So guys, as you can see here, you can see around our nature how it looks. By the way, this is our village here in Kisii, Kenya, Africa. So you can see how people plant their plants. Even here, by the way, I like this week. You can see I'll plant like this person. It's very nice. So guys, it's like my friend are disappearing. Oya, mko wapi? Bana, na msivunje mahindi. So guys, you can see now we are in the maize. So guys, I'm happy. You know, we are expecting Christmas and you can see our maize are also growing in Christmas. I'll eat some maize. Bana, simnaenda haraka sana. Sani hapa? So guys, you have reached into our shamba. You can see here. So these are our beans. These are our beans, as you can see. These are beans. So there are many here, guys. I want to So nishikie kamera kwanza ni ndio. So guys, our maize are grown even to down there. So you can imagine how I will show you. We have come to harvest, and also I want you to help us. So guys, in every line you can see here has some beans in between. Today we are going to celebrate. We are going to celebrate our beans. Okay. Very nice. This one I will put it here. I don't want any loss. You know guys, there are other people. When we have already harvested our beans, they come after we go home. Then they start looking for what we left behind. But I will pick all of them. So, by the even maize, they do like that. So guys, these beans, by the way, I'll keep it. I will keep it. Then we will eat it during Christmas also. My mother told me to remove all of them. Wanda line kwa line to serve. Orderly, orderly. So guys, after 3 months, this is what we have harvested. We are collecting together. Let me show you. Not only we eat from beans, only beans. Also we eat these leaves used as vegetables. By the way, I do not introduce you. What is your name? Tell people.
My name is Marlon Mugeni.
And you?
My name is Boniface.
Very nice. So guys, these are our beans for today. Tumweka ndani ya gunia. Mweke zote bana.
Ile kaza Emia.
Emi. Nodo
adama jaga kuma da fiti dinga ba ni na mai da mo fiti go wannan fiti ne yana. Mo gele kama 200.
So guys, you have seen. So guys, yeah, these are my cousins, by the way. They are complaining that my mother my mother told them to dig here. He will pay them, and he did not pay them enough money.
Oh, so you know what movie? And then I'm going to go to Papa go to Nagaji.
Akabalete lero ngoli.
Akaga to kwenda kwa unatole bane. Na urungu akabali. Amata meke na mata limta nayo. Ani kireti kwa ngite. Alafu akandata mwana limo. Mata alima kamata. Yangu bana pia kama hata sega tomu akatana roho ya ndo vitote kitakuya. Na pulisa hata bado tena nuwe tena akana.
Pulisa. Stokota hizi. Stokota hizi ndani ya gunia.
Ndio akaacha. Atanina na kini tu ya tumwe simime. Ni haki kanto mega ni ya pulisa.
Ngangete.
Nara jeje. Ya dongera tangine. Nangije na. Eti ngeze ga jorete. Eli kuwa.
Ololio.
Waza jorete zengu so mutu mwa wewe ni. Yako yani mimi na ndio sawa na wale kata mimi. Ngana ngoro siba wale tete waka.
So guys, we have finished. Now, Jared, for the remaining ones, they will grow at their own, and I will come to use as vegetables. Jiji ndi toto wero toko tuweke. Tuwekelea nani bone face.
Jianzie but nini naenda kumalizia.
Ero.
Unafika zake ro. Zake ro. Niko nimaliza hapo.
Toidera.
Ai, ndio nije nya.
So guys, let's go home.
Ndio kwanza shikilie vizuri.
Kwa bai.
Okay. Twende.
You okay?
Fine.
Taidiri nyagundi. So guys, let's go back home.
Lazima tutasema aje akijatoka. Nenda kununua saa hii sasa. Naenda kununua.
So these maize are very rough. Anyway, we have arrived have a narrow road. Yeah, so guys, this is because of time we are going to make our lunch. So you have to get home earlier. But because now I can see, let me see. Yes, now it is 11 p.m. We are going to make lunch. I will show you guys. So guys, as I'm showing you this video, but please remember to subscribe. Don't just watch, guys. As you can see our way here. Here, if you can buy your car, I told you cannot pass in here because the roads are not good. You can see even the houses. These are roads which we use here. Okay. Hey.
Usinifuatilie bwana.
So guys, we are almost reaching into main road. By the way, do you like our roads? Our roads are very narrow. So this is main road. Oh, by the way guys, as I am going home, I like to say thank you for those who have subscribed. And if you have not subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. But thank you for 267 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for the support you have given me. So guys, stay with me as I'm going home. I'm going to show you how we are going to do with our beans. So guys, this is the way we are going. Bye. Also guys, as we are going home today, I have an advantage to show you where is my church, where I used to come. You know, we must go to church in every Sunday. This is our church. This is where we come. Sunday school for church. It is called, you can see, Catholic. I am a Catholic. Let me show you. This is our church. So guys, during school, we come here. So Mandela sweet. So guys, this is our way to home. Ugama Rakabas. So guys, during school, we come here. So Mandela sweet. So guys, this is our way to home. Ugama Rakabas. That one I said is going to shopping to buy sweet. Quanto combo gani? Tonya kwenda?
Imo.
Chinsa.
Imo.
Mogi video ngo record. Irongo tuweke.
Toka chini ngini tamu.
Tonya kwenda ndiye tumuganye.
Bete sinyira haraka no yoku. Baka go kwani bako ikaranzira ndo jago chigacho. Zitumura.
So guys, as you have seen, my friend here said these beans are heavy. He's tired. You know, he's the one who has been carrying from the shamba. So guys, I need to help him. So guys, I think I've come to the end of my video. But please, don't miss the next video because I'm going to show you on how we make beans. Thank you for watching this video.